Hello, good evening, folks. Good evening again. We just had our dinner. We are at the Wisma Atria. It's been a long time we never been to this mall. We always hang out here in Orchard, but you know, there's leasing point. Okay, this is Jolly. It's okay, some white gold. Okay, some white gold. We are at the Wisma Atria. Oh, so lovely. April 5, 2026. Yeah. Happy Easter Sunday, folks. Oh, so lovely this. Oh, ano kaya yan? Oh, so lovely. The watch, oh. See the watch. 99. What is the 99? Excuse me. What is the 99? For all items? Which side? This one. Oh, so lovely. Yeah. Everything?
Yeah.
Watches? Watches also?
Watches, yeah, orange.
Okay.
Original price 148. Now
Yeah.
99. Yeah.
Why? Want to close?
No.
No. Just sales only.
Promotion.
Promotion.
What
It's,
you say? If you
No,
purchase
no, no.
3 items, get a cup. 3. 1, 2, 3.
really
And
clutch bag? The one, the clutch bag is free.
If
Yeah.
purchase 3 items,
Free. So lovely. What about this watch? How much is that?
this 1988.
So lovely. Yeah, money so. Okay, thank you. A little quiet. Now the food court here become cheaper. Honey, you just sit down there. Okay, so many restaurants here. This is Wisma Atria at Orchard. You just go to the Orchard station, MRT, and then there's the Orchard, the Wisma Atria Mall. They are linked on the Honey, come. Let's go. This way, honey. Honey, come. Yes, we are at the Wisma Atria Mall. So look, now people are coming in. Honey. Now people keep on coming. Forever new. There's so many restaurants here. Yeah, I feel like want to buy the money with free clutch bag there. Honey, this way. Shaduri. Before we used to come in here. So lovely here, folks. Smart here. There's this. I used to shop here before. Yeah, near to the Takashimaya Olympics area. now people getting more and more. $99, you buy 3 items with free clutch bag. Very class the clutch bag. Boom. Ano natin dito? Pretty fit. Pretty fit shoes.
Take so long. The video cannot take so long.
Okay. Proportion a little quiet. Here is okay. It's near to the MRT. The food court just is so lovely, folks. Okay. Oh, Charles and Kit pala meron din. Shoes. May brand of shoes also, Charles and Kit. Okay. Swarovski. May Swarovski pa dito sa
Ay,
Okay, folks. Now this is Orchard. This Orchard MRT station. They should have a grocery here. Okay, enjoy. That's for today. Okay, Singapore. Wisma address, Singapore. April 5, 2026. Enjoy, folks. This is Orchard Station, MRT, okay? Enjoy Singapore.